Welcome. In this video, we'll learn about logical programming. Logical programming in Python is nothing but solving problem through form of logic applied. It refers to the way computer programs solve problems through code. Some programming paradigms are primarily concerned with implication or the sequence of operations used to achieve the result. Other programming paradigms are concerned about how we organize the code. Here are some of the more popular programming paradigms. First, imperative. Second, functional. Third, declarative. Fourth, object-oriented. Fifth, procedural. Sixth, symbolic. And seventh, logic. So let's see the logic one here. Here we can solve the adding of three numbers using mathematical expression. Let's say we want to compute the sum of 10, 15 and 19 the way we learnt in our primary school, that is 10 plus 15 plus 19. What we used to do is we first used to add from the right side 5 plus 9 which would be 14. So let's write 14 and then let's write 4 below. So the last digit is fixed, that is 4. And then we will add the next number, that is 1, 1, 2, 2, next 3, and then 1, 4. So in this way we used to do addition, that is 44. So I can write it in this way also, that is 10 plus 15 plus 19. So this is the procedure. On the other hand, if you want to deduce something, we need to start from the conjecture. We then need to construct a proof according to a set of rules. In essence, the process computation is mechanical, whereas the process of deduction is more creative. In this section, we'll discuss about parsing a family tree, analyzing geography, building a puzzle solver, and many more. So that's it in this video on logical programming. Meet you in next video. Thank you for watching this video.